Everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, you are gonna see how to check Samsung battery health. So to do that, you have to go to your settings. Now scroll down and go to digital well-being and parental controls. So you might find your battery life in here. So if you can't find that, then go to search option and search for battery. So here you can go to battery information. So head over there. Now here you can find your battery status and everything you need to know about your battery. Go to the battery information. And here you can find your battery status, battery level, battery capacity, and your battery health and everything. So yeah, this is how you can do it. Hope this video will help you out and we will see you in the next video.